Hello friends, in this lesson we will try to learn about service account. So what is the service account? Actually service account is where we are going to run service with a specific account. Like you have received a request from your application vendor and they are looking for a one service account for integrating uh, application service with a particular account so that that service will run with a specific account. Now service account configuration is super simple. Just open your Active Directory and create a new user. Like here you can see I am going to create a service account. App SVC means application service account, and here I am defining a password and selecting password never expire. So where we are defining a password and password never expire, what we need to do, like if we are defining a password, then we have to maintain this password policy. And here you can see we have selected a password never expire. So where we are selecting a password never expire, this could be a really potential risk and password could be breached. Now, what is the use of this account? So we will open a services.msc, and here you can see these are Windows inbuilt services, and here you can see individual services are running with the individual account. Like here you can see Active Directory domain services is running with logon edge, a local system. Application layer gateway is running with a local services. Now here you can see how you will integrate this newly created service account with a particular service. So I am not going to do make any amendment with existing services. Like here you can see a log on. Here we will simply browse and select our newly created IP and define user ID and password. So let's register a one dummy service. Here you can see what parameter I am using for registering a service. So here I am using new dash service and my service name is mgsvca dash notepad, and you have to define a binary path. So here you can see I have selected a binary path notepad.exe. In your case, you will receive a binary path from your application vendor. So run this command. Here you can see my service tips display name is mgsvca and dash notepad, and here my service status is showing stopped. So let's verify this services and this service is registered or not. Here you can see my dummy service is registered in services. So here simply you will open, click on log on edge, select this account, app SVC which account we have created, and here we will type a password which we have assigned for this user. Now here you can see our newly created service account is integrated with this service. And after integrating, you have to maintain this service account password. Like if you are changing password of this account, then you always open services.msc and you have to update this service account password. So how we can avoid such kind of situation? So simply you can see like if basic ask is they want to a separate service account for maintaining this service, simply you will click here, go to log on, and here we will type nt service and not need to type any password here. Simply click apply. Here you can see once I click on apply, the operating system is automatically generated a different password for this notepad service ID, and we don't know what is the password, and Windows will automatically rotate this service ID password. Now after using this anti service slash service account, we no longer need to maintain any password. Even we also not required this service account, because vendor basic ask was they were looking for a service account where they can integrate application service for running services. So here you can see we have already integrated this service account with NT services, and Windows will automatically rotate this service ID and password. Now we can delete this ID and this is no longer needed. In this lesson we learned uh, what is the use of service account and how we can create dummy services, and how we can uh, rotate system generated password for uh, application specific service, where your basic ask is only log on as service. Thanks for watching, friend.